If your front porch planters are in the shade, but you still want to have a lot of color, you've got some options. Let me show you one arrangement you can do that will give you tons of color all throughout the warm season. Let's get to it. So here's the one I just got done planting up, but we still have to do the other side of the front porch over here. So I will go ahead and walk you through what each of these plants are and how to put this together. So let's start with these beauties right here. This is Torenia, and it is a good shade annual. It's also known as wishbone flower because, well, down inside the bloom, it has a little structure that looks like a wishbone. Hard to see in here, but it's kind of sticking out of the blooms right there. The other bloomer we have down here is the Techno dark blue spreading Lobelia, and it is one of the most true blue flowers that you will find, and it also does good shade performance. It might show up kind of purple in the video, but in real life it is blue. Next we have a couple of caladiums from Proven Winners. This is Heart to Heart Raspberry Moon. They're still really young. They're gonna get really big and pretty in this pot. Looks like butterflies dancing there, doesn't it? And then I've got a Dracaena spike here. Now we typically put these in some more sunlight, but it's a Dracaena, which a lot of Dracaenas are low light tolerant. That's why they're houseplants. So I don't see why it's not gonna work up here on the porch. So we're gonna do Dracaena back towards the back, the Torenias facing the door where people can see them. I'll have the Lobelia spilling out over this side over here, and the Caladium's kind of filling out the middle left side here. Let's get to it. I gotta hurry, my kids just, well, my wife and kids just pulled in the driveway. Can I finish before they run over here and make tons of noise? Oh boy, it's gonna be close. I got 2 more plants. Should just put it in park. 1 more plant to go. And then backfilling. We did it. Now bring on the noise. Hello. Today's Thursday.
No, today's Wednesday. Remember,
You stinker.
we're not called every Wednesday.
You better go. Hey, buddy.
No.
What?
Are you planting those flowers for the party?
Yes. Where are you going?
Daddy, I can put my legs straight.
Is your leg all better now? Wow, it looks good. It's not bleeding anymore. You like it?
Yeah.
Puedes pararte aquí, pero mirando por acá. No más aquí.
¿Qué? Bueno.
Yeah.
Ay, te cortaste tu perro.
Uh-huh.
Ay, no, que otra vez no vas a terminar.
Yes. All right, all done. Well, all that's left now is I've just got to put some granular fertilizer in there and water and clean up my mess. But yeah, got a little bit of a different look to the front porch this year.